Welcome to this video on understanding digital currencies and blockchain. Let's start with a foundational concept. What is barter? Barter is trading goods and services directly without money. Next, what is a cryptocurrency? The correct answer is B, a digital or virtual form of money using encryption. Cryptocurrency uses encryption for security and operates on blockchain technology. Which of the following is the first cryptocurrency? The answer is Bitcoin. Bitcoin was created in 2009 by Satoshi Nakamoto, pioneering the concept of digital currency. What does a blockchain consist of? A blockchain consists of a series of digital blocks linked together. It is a digital ledger of information linked in a chain. What is an NFT? An NFT, or non-fungible token, is a unique digital collectible. They are unique digital items verified using blockchain technology. What is a hot wallet? A hot wallet is a digital wallet connected to the internet. This online wallet is used to store cryptocurrency. How does blockchain technology ensure security? It does so by using encryption and decentralization. This structure makes altering records very difficult. Finally, what is the purpose of a hash in a blockchain? A hash is used to identify and secure each block uniquely. It is a unique code that ensures the security and integrity of the block.